Hello English learner. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we provide you with some exercises to practice your speaking skills. In exercise 1, we will practice together using the shadowing method. You don't have to wait until it's over. Instead, you speak at the same time with it, trying to copy the rhythm and tone of the dialogue exactly. At first, it can be a bit tricky, but you'll get used to this method. Just like singing along to your favorite song. In exercise 2, we will use the duet method. And finally, we will answer some questions out loud to improve your ability to think and speak in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. Exercise 1, Shadowing. In the first exercise, I want you to listen and try to copy exactly the rhythm and the tone of the dialogue. Don't be afraid to make mistake, okay?
Hi, I'm Tom Cohen, the real estate agent. May I help you?
Hi, I saw rental properties on your company website.
Yes, madam.
I'm looking to rent a house.
Sure, madam. Do you have any specific property in mind?
Is the house still available at 200 King Street?
I'm sorry, that house has been a deposit.
Oh.
Don't worry, I'm here to help you find a house to rent. May I ask you some questions?
Sure.
Is King Street the area you would like to live in?
Yes, that area is convenient for me going to my company.
I got it. How big is the house that you're looking for?
I'm planning to share it with my sister. I'm not sure about the size, but I need 2 bedrooms.
Sure. And do you have an idea of your budget?
Maybe under $1,500 a month?
Are you looking for a furnished or unfurnished place?
A furnished place is better.
Yes, madam. Is there anything else you need?
I need it near the supermarket or park.
That's fine. Do you need a place with a parking lot?
Of course.
Do you want 1 bathroom or 2 bathrooms?
I prefer 2 bathrooms, but 1 is okay.
I got it. And one last question. Do you have a pet?
I have a dog. It's only about 5 kilos.
Thanks for your information. May I have your phone number?
123-456-789.
And your name, please?
It's Lisa.
I'll take a look at what's available and contact you later in 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Great, thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Exercise 2, Duet. Good job! Let's move to the next exercise. So now you're in the conversation. I'm gonna read my lines and you'll read your lines on the screen. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Tom Cohen, the real estate agent. May I help you? Yes, madam. Sure, madam. Do you have any specific property in mind? I'm sorry, that house has been a deposit. Don't worry, I'm here to help you find a house to rent. May I ask you some questions? Is King Street the area you would like to live in? I got it. How big is the house that you're looking for? Sure. And do you have an idea of your budget? Are you looking for a furnished or unfurnished place? Yes, madam. Is there anything else you need? That's fine. Do you need a place with a parking lot? Do you want 1 bathroom or 2 bathrooms? I got it. And one last question. Do you have a pet? Thanks for your information. May I have your phone number? And your name, please? I'll take a look at what's available and contact you later in 30 minutes or 1 hour. Thank you. Goodbye.
Let's switch.
Hi, I saw rental properties on your company website. I'm looking to rent a house. Is the house still available at 200 King Street? Oh. Sure. Yes, that area is convenient for me going to my company. I'm planning to share it with my sister. I'm not sure about the size, but I need 2 bedrooms. Maybe under $1,500 a month? A furnished place is better. I need it near the supermarket or park. Of course. I prefer 2 bathrooms, but 1 is okay. I have a dog. It's only about 5 kilos. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's Lisa. Great, thank you.
Exercise 3, Question and Answer. 1. Where did Lisa see the rental properties? Lisa saw rental properties on Tom's company website. 2. Is King Street the area Lisa would like to live in? Yes. That area is convenient for going to Lisa's company. 3. Would Lisa like a house with 1 bathroom? Lisa prefers a house with 2 bathrooms, but 1 is okay. 4. Which places does Lisa want the house to be located near? Lisa want a house near supermarket or park and a parking lot. 5. Does Lisa have a cat? No, Lisa has a dog. Okay, so that's the end of today's lesson. Repeating and shadowing dialogues is a great way to improve your speaking skills in a foreign language, as it helps you become more familiar with the natural rhythm and intonation of the language. Recording yourself can also be an effective way to identify areas where you need to improve, such as pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Overall, consistent practice and repetition are key to improving your speaking skills in a foreign language.